How to hard reset Google Pixel 10a.
Step 1. Press power button and volume up button together.
Step 2. Now select Restart option and immediately press and hold volume down button until you see recovery mode.
Step 3. Now use volume up button and search for recover mode. Once you see the recovery mode, press power button.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset.
After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.